Today we're diving into the ultimate track weapon, the Rimac Nevera. The Rimac Nevera is an all-electric hypercar designed to break records, boasting an insane 1,914 horsepower from its quad motor system, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.74 seconds, and reaching a top speed of 258 miles per hour, making it the fastest EV in the world. With a 120 kilowatt-hour battery, it offers an impressive 304-mile range, and thanks to 800-volt fast charging, it can recharge from 0 to 80% in just 19 minutes. Its active aerodynamics dynamically adjust for maximum speed and stability, while inside the AI-powered digital cockpit and touchscreen displays create a futuristic driving experience. Only 150 units exist, with a price tag of $2.2 million, making it one of the most exclusive electric hypercars ever built. Whether displayed in a luxury showroom, tested in a wind tunnel, or speeding down a high-tech racetrack, the Nevera proves that electric hypercars are the future. Would you drive the fastest EV on the planet? Love hypercars? Want more mind-blowing machines? Hit that subscribe button and join Carpedia for the wildest rides in the auto